Let's fill out the New Mexico boat bill of sale together, and do it in a way that holds up when it's time to register the boat and transfer the title. Start at the top with the date of sale, then the seller's details. In our example, that's Anna Baker, with her address, phone, and email. Then the buyer's, Ben Carter, with the same. 2 quick habits. Enter each name exactly as it appears on that person's ID and on the title. A nickname or a typo can stall the transfer later. And don't leave a line blank. If something doesn't apply, write NA. Next, describe the boat, the make, the year, and the color. Then the hull identification number, or HIN. Type the HIN exactly as it appears on the title or the boat. A single wrong character can hold up the transfer. Then the engine hours. Write the exact number, not a rounded guess. Now the purchase date and the sale price, in our example, $8,500, paid all at once, by check, with taxes included. Write the real price. Lowballing it to shave the sales tax can come back as back taxes and penalties, and it leaves the buyer with weaker proof of what they actually paid. Now the signatures. The seller and the buyer each print their name, sign, and date. This form also has witness lines and a notary block. Use them only if your state requires it, or add a witness for extra proof. Then make 2 copies. Each side keeps a signed one. Let's walk through what you'll need to fill out this boat bill of sale correctly. First, you'll want to include the full name and address of the registered owner or owners of the vessel. This identifies who is actually selling the boat. Next, the first registered owner will need to sign the document, so make sure that signature line gets filled in before anything is finalized. You'll also need to include the sale price, so have that number ready to write in clearly. Now, if there is a lien holder on the boat, you'll need to include the name and address of that lien holder, and you'll need a release from the second lien holder as well as the first. So if there are any outstanding liens, make sure those are addressed before the sale goes through. Remember, this is general information, not legal or tax advice.